Today I'm going to show you all the Happy 4th of July. Today I'm going to show you all the fireworks I have for tonight. So let's get started. So first I have the huge sparklers. Let's go back. Whoop. And I also have the little sparklers, the tiny sparklers. And then, these are called poppets, and so when you throw them like on like the concrete or like your driveway, they pop, and so they're really fun. And we got these like parachutes or something that says 100 shots. So there's 100 shots in this. And then, these are the parachutes. We like the parachutes. They mostly, I think they just make a popping noise or something. And then they shoot out parachutes, and we like to try to catch the parachutes because that's like the funnest part, is catching the parachutes. And we have smoke bombs. You guys probably know what smoke bombs are. You throw them and they smoke and then you go through. We did these last year, and our neighbor, Mr. Nathan, he actually accidentally threw them through our trampoline, and it made a tiny hole. We were super mad. And these are the bottle rockets. And then these, the very last ones, are the artillery shells that we're going to be shooting out. So there you have it. There are all my fireworks. Hope you like this video. Comment down below which fireworks are your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye!